We found the Luxury Pergola online. I was originally noticing in magazines that had advertisements for competitors' pergolas, and we priced those out and were astounded by how expensive they were, and we knew we could not afford anything at all like that. So doing a little bit of research on YouTube, I came across the Luxury Pergola, saw that the pricing was excellent. The other units from the other companies was about 3 times as much as what we paid for our current pergola. So I spoke with my wife and I said, I think we need to, all things being equal, I think we need to give these guys a shot. When we found out, the overall quality was so good and it was made here, it became a slam dunk. After we placed the order, the turnaround time was really quick, maybe 2 weeks, and next thing you know, we're getting a call from the office that our pergola was ready to be shipped. That's all it took. The model that we selected, we have a Super Perg. It is a 33-foot long pergola, bronze in color with stone-colored louvers. It is a Super Perg consisting of a 20-foot pergola and a 13-foot pergola attached together with the contemporary crown molding.
We've been here 12 years, and this is the first year we've been able to enjoy our backyard. And I spend a lot of mornings out here since I'm retired, but we are out here literally every single evening.
It is a joy. It is, to me at least, more rewarding than buying a brand new car. There's no question about it.
Yeah, it's kind of my sanctuary. I 100% recommend these guys. For me, it's the customer service and the availability of experts to be able to just call, touch base with them. Hey, am I doing this right? Am I doing that right?
You wouldn't believe how much cooler it is under the pergola than just outside of the pergola when these louvers are closed. In addition to that, with the screens down during these hot evenings, really minimizes the heat on the back of the house and keeps the brick at a good temperature, and therefore the interior of the home is more comfortable, less energy bills, whatever you want to say, but we would certainly do it all over again.
Yeah, it's very peaceful, very calm. It's what I envision for retirement.